What's up guys, my name's Phil from Fearless Technology. We've got the brand new Xbox One X. I just ordered it off of Amazon. I'll link it in the description below if you want to get yourself one, but let's go ahead and unbox it and see what's inside. And here it is guys, the brand new Xbox One X. And this is the 1 terabyte variation, the brand new one. And let's go ahead and check out the back of the box. It's just got some information. It's got some picture of some game streaming. And this is a full 4K gaming system with a 4K Blu-ray player, the latest from Microsoft. Let's go ahead and pop it open right at the top right here. And we'll just pop the top off. And it looks like they've included an Xbox Game Pass and Xbox Live Gold membership. I think it's only 3 months in the package that I got, but that's definitely very handy. We'll put that aside and let's kind of pop open the console. If we look on the top, you can see it's packaged very nicely. It's got some styrofoam on the sides of it right here, but let's go ahead and just pull the console out. And we're just gonna rest it right down like that. And we'll put the console aside for a second. Let's just check out what else we get included in the box first. We've got this little box right here, which has everything else. This is just completely empty now. So we'll throw that packaging aside. And let's check out what's in this. We've got the power cable, and the power supply is actually built right into the Xbox now, so you don't have that big huge brick like you did have before. So super awesome. I really like that. Saves a lot of space where you put your console. We'll open up this packaging right here. We've got a little bit of a styrofoam piece right there, and that looks like it's protecting the controller. Let's go ahead and pop open the controller, have a look at that. And it looks like we've got some batteries included. Super handy that we got batteries. And then there it is. We've got the Xbox wireless controller. Very, very cool. We'll throw the batteries into there and use that right away. And then right down here, we've got an HDMI cable included for you. So very, very simple setup, simple packaging that they've included. HDMI cable, none of those other wires and extra colored ones and stuff like that. You don't have to worry about that anymore. And then we've got the product and regulatory guide. Won't really need to use that. Let's put that stuff aside for a second here, and let's go ahead and get right to the console itself. And there it is. We'll take that styrofoam stuff off. We'll put the actual console down on the ground right now, and I'm just gonna unpackage it. And there is the beautiful machine, and it is heavy. It is very heavy. One of the heaviest consoles that I've ever felt. It's upside down there. There we go. So there's the front of it. So it looks like we've got some information just on here. A little tab we'll pull off in a second. We've got the USB cable, and I think this is a syncing thing for the controller, if I'm not mistaken. The little Xbox logo right there. And let's check out the back of it, so we can see what's included. We've got the power cable that goes in here, HDMI TV out to your TV. This is for your satellite receiver, HDMI in, and we've got 2 USB ports, IR out, and I think this is one of the sound things. And then we've got the LAN cable that goes right into here, Xbox One X, and as you can see on the top, it is just all nice matte finish, but this is very heavy. Just me leaning over and holding it, it is super, super heavy. There it is, guys, your Xbox One X unboxing. Very simple, not a lot of different things inside the packaging like there was before. We've got your simple cables, the 2 of them, and we've got the controller and the console. Thanks a lot for watching this one. I'll catch you on the next video. Bye-bye.